Kesha, what are you doing in my apartment?
You want to know what I'm doing in your apartment? Blowing your mind.
Okay. So are you here to hang?
Have you ever stopped to think, why are you here?
No. Why are you asking?
Because I'm Kesha. And only I can be Kesha.
Alrighty.
So let's have like a dance party or something.
Alright, let me turn on some music.
Alright, let's get this TikTok. Bye.